Hey guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. I post every single Friday, so make sure you turn those notifications on so you don't miss a single video. We're doing a vlog today. It's one of my days off, and I try to be really productive when I can on my days off. So I'm gonna be taking you with me. I just got dressed, not a cute outfit. We're just gonna work out. I'm gonna start with a 1 mile jog to warm up, and then I'll see you guys there. Oh my gosh, that was hard. I think it's because this weekend I ate pretty bad and didn't work out at all, so my body's just like tired and not feeling it. But I mean, it's good that I got sweaty on my warm-up, I guess. So for my workouts, I usually do something to warm up, and then I found this awesome app called VENMO. I highly recommend it. They will give you a ton of ads telling you to pay for the premium version, which is expensive. Like, I open it up and it's right there. But just exit out of everything and you get a lot for the free version. You just go to training, and then they have beginner, intermediate, and advanced. They have every workout you could ask for. Full body, shoulders and arms, back and chest, like everything you want. They're all minimum equipment, most of them requiring like a chair or a light set of dumbbells, like 5 pounds. So just find something around the house if you don't have them. And it shows a video and like a timer, and you just follow it. It's really easy. They're like 20-25 minutes long, but they get you sore. They really work, so highly recommend. I'm just showing a few exercises here, but one other thing I love is that they send you notifications throughout the day, which I love because it's like, get off your butt, girl, go do a 5-minute walk, drink a glass of water, like really motivating things that actually remind you to be active, and I really love that. It's awesome. Whew, that was a hard workout. I'm honestly not very hungry right now, but it's important to eat right after you work out because your body soaks up all the nutrients right away. So I'm just having a handful of almonds and my favorite snack.
Here's my Friday afternoon snack. Cheers, Mum, for the money.
Half an avocado with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and balsamic glaze on top. It's so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna shower and then catch up with you in a bit. Hey! So I did my skincare routine. I didn't wash my hair because... So I did my skincare routine, and I'm going to do my makeup because I want to film some TikToks today. I'm gonna speed through my music real quick just so I can listen to my music. I think I shared this on TikTok already, but I got the magnetic, I said that word, eyelashes, and the first try, they were alright, but I kind of rushed it. But now that I figured out how to put them on well, I'm obsessed. So you just put the eyeliner on, just pop the other one on here. It's so much easier than normal false lashes. But that's it. It looks really good, I think. I absolutely love these. Alright, I'm gonna be making some TikToks. If you wanna follow me, it's at emmakpatterson, or my business where I make custom tie-dye t-shirts is at Angel Outpost. That one has a lot more followers. It has almost 2,000, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, those TikToks took way longer than anticipated because I wanted to make them really good. But you guys should totally check them out. I did the muffins in the freezer one, and then I just did 2 like lip sync ones. Dancing is not my forte. However, I did just learn how to throw it back. I don't know. I've been trying, as you do at 11 p.m. in front of the mirror, and one day it just happened. It's a beautiful day outside. I think I'm gonna do some Uber Eats soon. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing that because it's super easy and convenient. Like, you literally just go whenever you want. There's no minimum hours that you have to do. I probably only do like 5 hours a week, but everything adds up, you know. Just when I have nothing else to do, might as well be productive. I'm not stopping short of my dreams. I want a lakeside house. I want to travel, you know. I'm gonna grind hard because you can't just be a nurse and have all that. I mean, they make like decent money, but not quite enough. Ooh, I should also do a photo shoot. I finally got a phone tripod. It was actually sent to me for free, which is awesome. And so I could do like photo shoots by myself. I got a couple questions on Instagram. I thought I'd answer them for you. Favorite YouTuber at the moment? I've been lacking on watching YouTube videos just because I've been doing so many things by myself that I haven't been spending that much time on social media. But probably Nikki and Gabby. I love all of their challenges that they've been doing recently. When I have time for YouTube, I'm usually catching up on their videos. What are you most and least looking forward to with moving and school? So those of you who don't know, I'm actually moving into an apartment. I put an empty apartment vlog on my channel, but in August I will be moving there for nursing school. It's a couple hours away from where I am now, so I'll definitely miss my family, my friends, and Tyler. We will be visiting each other on the weekends as much as we can. So what I'm least looking forward to is definitely that, you know, the time travel. Mostly missing Tyler. Speaking of. So least looking forward to not seeing Tyler as much. That'll really suck. Most looking forward to the place that I'm going is so sunny and warm compared to here. Like, whenever I visited, my heart just glows. Like, it just feels right. That environment just makes me happy, full of energy, and I really think I'm gonna enjoy my time there. Alright, thanks for those questions you guys sent in. I think I'm gonna do a self photo shoot now, so I gotta get out my new tripod. So this is it. It has a little remote control that comes off of it. You just press it to take the picture. I imagine you connect it with Bluetooth or something. So it's very green in my backyard. I think I'm gonna use a spot on our white fence. Alright, got my tripod set up, got my little button that takes the pictures. Hey, so I got a ton of pictures. I've narrowed it down to 4, 5, 6, 7 pretty good ones. I'll put my favorites up on the screen. But wow, is that nice to have. I'm gonna be doing a lot more photo shoots, be more active on Instagram. I'm super hyped. Let me tell you, I just got starving. It's like 4:30, but I wasn't really hungry for lunch. So I'm just gonna have a bagel because I don't wanna get too full before dinner, but I'm starving, so I gotta have something. But bagels are my go-to. I'm like obsessed with them. I have them every day for breakfast. And I always put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and sesame seeds on top. It's so good. Hey guys, after you last saw me, I was extremely lazy for like an hour or two after the photo shoot. I was just like laying down, procrastinating. But I decided to get up. I've been doing Uber Eats for about an hour now, so I'm in the Burger King drive-thru. Who orders Burger King? It's like the worst fast food. And Taco Bell, who else agrees? But anyways, we making that money. I'm trying to make money every single day, even if it's like 10 bucks. Like, you should increase your earnings every single day. Hey, no one really ever says how much they make for anything ever, so I just thought I'd share with you how I started Uber Eats. So I just did 1 hour. In my area, I'd say minimum wage is about $14 or $15. But for 1 hour at Uber Eats, I just made $17. It's totally different every time. But that is before tips. It's gonna be way bigger than that. I'm guessing tips will add on about $15, $10 to $15, because I did 3 orders. So it varies every time, but usually it's above minimum wage, which is awesome. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. We got salmon burger, red rice, and I don't know, and a salad with goat cheese. Looks good. Hey, it's 9:42. I honestly had no idea how late it was until I just checked the clock. But I got a few more questions on my Instagram that I'll answer. Oh, this one girl says, hi, I know this isn't a question, but I love your YouTube channel and I can't wait to see you grow. That's so sweet, thank you. All right, future piercings. I'm definitely gonna get a second cartilage and my first one over here. That's all I have planned so far. When did you get your current piercings? I got my first ones when I was 7. I got my doubles in 11th grade. And I got my cartilage my freshman year of college. Favorite ice cream flavor? Probably chocolate chip cookie dough, and then mint chocolate chip is a close second. How to start a good fitness habit? You just have to know and be honest with yourself that it will be very hard at first, and you may slip a couple times, but that's okay. What matters is that you stay committed, set goals, and just know that it gets easier. And I'm gonna have a bad list because I put my retainers in, but I watched a terrible movie on Netflix called Swiped just because it had Noah Centineo in it, but wow, it sucked. Do not recommend. Like, I skipped through parts of it. I ended it before it even finished, which I never do. But I'm heading off to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.